Hi everyone, I will show you how to send a PDF file in Facebook Messenger. First of all, you need to go to your PDF file where you have saved in your mobile, and you need to hold your PDF file and tap to share button on the top and select the Messenger app and select your chat, then send it. Now you can see the PDF file will be sent on your Messenger. If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.